In this video, we're going to discuss the water system in your motorhome. Now, to begin with, we'll talk about the basic principles. So underneath the motorhome, you have two tanks. One contains fresh water and the other contains wastewater, commonly known as grey water. Now, the fresh water supplies your sink, your basin and your shower, and also in a motorhome, it supplies the flush for the toilet. Now, the grey waste, that's the runoff from the sinks, the basin and the shower, and we'll show you how to deal with all of those, including filling, emptying, and how to use the control panel to do so. So we're now going to calibrate the system. Basically, that sets the system as empty and full, and you do so on the control panel here. Now, I'm in a new motorhome, the tanks are empty. If you need to do this, you will need to visit the motorhome service point, just empty both tanks, and this is where we'll start on the control panel. So the first step, especially as this is a new motorhome, is to calibrate both the fresh and the grey waste as being empty. And to do so, we press the down arrow, press it again, and we go into settings. Then we press enter, and we go down to calibrate water. We press enter again, scroll down, and we're going to set as empty. And we're also going to calibrate waste, and we're going to set that as empty. We're going to scroll down, save and exit. Right, so now we're ready to fill up the fresh water system. Now, it's easy to do on a campsite. There's usually a dedicated motorhome service point. Now, if you're unsure where it is, ask your fellow campers, the site staff, or they're normally fairly well labelled. So we're going to have a walk around the campsite, find where it is, and we're going to go there now. Right, so we've arrived at the motorhome service point and we're going to fill the fresh water tank. So again, go to the control panel, go past settings onto fill tank, press enter, and that's it, you're ready to fill the tank. This way you can monitor the level inside. When it gets to 100%, you know the tank's full. Right, so to fill your tank, you'll need the Whale Aquasource hose. Now, this comes with your motorhome. So the first step, plug it into your motorhome, close the flap on top, and then plug this into the fresh water point. And then just turn on the tap and make sure you haven't got any kinks in the hose. Right, so now the control panel tells me we're at 100%. I've turned the tap off and I can go through and calibrate the fresh water system as being full. So we'll scroll down, calibrate water, enter, scroll down, set full, enter. Importantly, keep scrolling down to save and exit. If you're staying on site, you can now use your freshwater system and then calibrate it once your grey water tank is full. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to artificially fill the grey waste so we can then calibrate it as being full. And to start that, we're going to turn on the taps. So I've been running the tap and the control panel now tells me that the water tank level on the fill tank is now 0. So now we can calibrate the grey waste tank. Set full, enter, scroll down, save and exit, and that's it. Both tanks are now calibrated. Right, so now I've shown you how to use the water system. It's important that I show you how to drain both tanks. That's the fresh and the grey waste. Now we'll start off by going outside to do that. Now we've got a few campsite sounds behind me, so apologies for the audio, but I'm going to show you now how to empty the grey waste. Now the systems may vary depending on the type of motorhome you have. Some may have a grey tap that you turn just behind the wheel here. This one has a lever and a cap. So I've removed the cap, and now all I do to empty the grey waste is pull this lever outwards and it should flow into that drain. So a few final considerations for your water system. Number one, if you don't want to go to the service point with your motorhome, you can fill it with an aqua roll. If you have one of these, which is the Whale pump, uses the same socket as the Aquasource. Number two, if you want to manually check how full your tanks are, if you look in the floor, there are access chambers, and you can unscrew a cap of each. And finally, if you want to empty your fresh for your onward travel, you can either do so via the taps, or an easier way might be, if you're at the service point, again, on the freshwater tank, unscrew the cap and there's a rubber bung at the bottom.